ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तम् तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधितमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम्
सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
स्तोभम् अनवद्यम् च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रम् सूत्रविदो विदुः।
अयि उन्
इ उन्
ऋलृक्
ऋलृक्
ए ओङ्
ए ओङ्
ऐ औच्
ऐ औच्
हयवरट्
हयवरट्
लन्
लण्
ञमङणनम्
यमगणनम्
झभै
झभञ्
घढधश्
घढधश्
जबगडदश्
जबगडदश्
खफछठथ छटतौ
खफछठथ छटतौ
दपै
दपै
शशसर्
शशसर्
हल्
हल्
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
अकुकविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
स्वविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
इचुयशानां तालु
इचुयशानां तालु
ऋटुरशानां मूर्धा
ऋटुरषाणां मूर्धा
लुतुलसानां दन्ताः
लुतुलसानां दन्ताः
उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
ञमङणनानां नासिका च
यमगणनानां नासिका च
एतैतोः कण्ठतालु
एतयोः कण्ठतालु
ओदौतोः कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
उदौतोः कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामो
रामो राजमणिः
राजमणिः
सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
श्रीरामः शरणं समस्तजगतां रामं विना का गति
श्रीरामः शरणं समस्तजगतां रामं विना का गति
रामेण प्रतिहन्यते कलिमलं रामाय कार्यं नमः
प्रतिहन्यते कलिमलं रामाय कार्यं नमः
रामात्रस्यति कालभीमभुजगो रामस्य सर्वं वशे
रामात्रस्यति कालभीमभुजगो रामस्य सर्वं वशे
रामे भक्तिरखण्डिता भवतु मे रामत्वमेवाश्रयः
मे भक्तिरखण्डिता भवतु मे रामत्वमेवाश्रयः
रामो मे विहितं करोतु सततं रामं भजे सादरम्
सततं रामं भजे सादरम्
रामेणापहतं समस्तदुरितं रामाय दत्तं धनम्
रामेणापहतं समस्तदुरितं रामाय दत्तं धनम्
रामान्मुक्तिरभीप्सिता सर्वसं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामान्मुक्तिरभीप्सिता सरभसं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे रञ्जतु मे मनः करुणया भो राम मां पालय
रामे रञ्जतु मे मनः करुणया भो राम मां पालय
इदमस्तु सन्निकृष्टम्
नमस्तु सन्निकृष्टम्
समीपतरवर्ति एतदोरूपम्
समीपतरवर्ति च एतदो रूपम्
अदसस्तु विप्रकृष्टम्
अदसस्तु विप्रकृष्टम्
तद्दिति परोक्षे विजानीयात्
परोक्षे विजानीयात्
संहितैकपदे नित्या
संहितैकपदे नित्या
नित्या धातुपसर्गयोः
नित्या धातुपसर्गयोः
नित्या समासे वाक्ये तु
नित्या समासे वाक्ये तु
सा विवक्षामपेक्षते
विवक्षामपेक्षते
संहिता इत्युक्ते का? What is संहिता?
Samhita is Sandhi.
Collection.
Sandhi.
Okay, collection. What collection?
Sorry. Samhita meaning is collection. Okay.
Joining of two things, therefore collection.
No, you cannot give your own definition. Joining up total things can be, it's not accumulation, right? You gather, accumulate, collection of money, is it Sandhi? Collection of people, Sandhi? No, that's wrong there. Samhita, in fact, we are seeing Sandhi, we are seeing continuously Sandhi, Samhita. Another name is Sandhi.
Sandhi.
So, in fact, we have done many examples also. A lot of examples still are there. So it will, if example, if we do it, we take time. Anyway, we will do it. Not going to skip those examples. But you should know what Samhita is. Not no more, no excuse for not knowing Samhita. Samhita, by definition, it is.
Close proximity of letters.
That is what Samhita is. Close proximity of, because they are proximate, therefore some change happens. Some change happens wherever it is. That is the resultant of Samhita, resultant of Sandhi. That is called Sandhi Karya. Sandhi Karya is also loosely called Sandhi. You are not supposed to forget this definition. Close proximity, that is called Sandhi, not collection. Because of the close proximity, therefore there occurs a change.
Change happens.
That is, change is for the sake of easy pronunciation. In English, Samhita, it is, the Sandhi is translated as euphonic combination. Suppose two vowels come together, for example, one is a guttural, other one is a palatal. So, therefore, this combination of that would be guttural plus palatal. So, what is the appropriate letter for that? That will come in that place. A plus, suppose, a word ending with A, and another word beginning with E. So, A and E, both can be replaced by the combination of that letter, whose pronunciation is a combination of this both.
Kantatalu.
Yeah, Kantatal. So, appropriate, whatever it is, that can replace. So, that instead of two letters, now it become one. Rama plus Ishvara, A plus E, Rame, Sandhi, euphonic combination. Okay, so these are all basic things. I mean, Samhita, the definition is a basic thing. Basic thing means we started with that only. And we have already seen one Sandhi. And of course, we will see more examples on that Sandhi. What Sandhi?
Savarna Dirgha Sandhi.
Savarna Dirgha Sandhi.
So today I'm going to present 4 Sandhis in one shot. Okay, one stretch. So, and all the examples for that we will see later, and combining that also. So it will be challenging. You have to be prepared for it. Okay. Little, putting everything together will be little tough for those who are completely, not prepared. For you need to prepare yourself for understanding the Sandhi. Sandhi is important. Without Sandhi, nothing can be done. You cannot understand any shloka, any passage in Sanskritam. First thing what we do is we need to understand the words of the shloka, words in the passage. How do you understand? You have to split and identify the word, what vibhakti, what vachanam, etc. Then we need to arrange them in a order, prose order. Then we, prose order also arrangement is depending on so many other things, the karaka, vibhakti, etc. So then after that, it makes sense. The sentence makes sense. So first thing is Sandhi. That is why Sandhi is taught first. So first Sandhi what we saw is Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. After the Sandhi, we will see Shabda. Okay, first let us see Sandhi. Because last class itself Sandhi I thought of doing but could not do because of interruption. Savarna Dirgha. What is Savarna Dirgha Sandhi?
Ak followed by Savarna Ak replaced by a Savarna Dirgha. Dirgha Ak.
This is the rules. Ak followed by Savarna Ak. Right? Ak plus Savarna Ak. Ak means the last letter of the Purva Pada is Ak. And the first letter of the following is Savarna Ak. Followed by the Ak letter which corresponds to the preceding that Ak. It means in terms of similarity, Savarna. So Ak plus Savarna Ak, both will be replaced. Here, both will be replaced, right?
Yes.
Both will be replaced by what? Corresponding
Savarna Dirgha.
Dirgha.
corresponding
Savarna
dirgha.
Dirgha.
Okay, Savarna dirgha. Or just we can say dirgha, corresponding dirgha, whatever it is. Dirgha, suppose if I read it, dirgha also, here itself Savarna dirgha sandhi. Dirgha plus a dirgha. Anyway, for understanding, I'm writing dirgha. Okay. This is Savarna dirgha sandhi. Na plus anushochitam, nanushochitam, nanushochitam, nanushochitaha, panditaha, Gita, right? There are many. Okay, now I'll give another example. No, I'll give, through example, we'll see another sandhi. Now, we're going to see next sandhi. I'll tell what sandhi is that later. But now let us see. Yadi plus api, for example. Yadi is an avyayam. It's a padam. The word yadi is a padam ending with the letter. What letter?
Ikara.
Ikara. And followed by another padam, which is
Akara.
akara, not akara.
Oh, sorry. Api, sorry.
It is not akara, akara. Yadi plus api. Now, the last letter, the sandhi is there or not? They are going to join. That is, joining is okay. Because they are close, therefore we are joining it. Therefore, that is proximity. Equal, that is, E of the Purva is followed by Rasva akara. So therefore, there is proximity. Right? Proximity of the letter. Therefore, sandhi karyam. Therefore, there will happen a exchange. The proximity. Now, what will happen? You see, yad plus E plus A plus P. I'm just taking the last letter of the first word and the first letter of the following word. E plus A. When ik letter, this E belongs to ik. The E belongs to ik. Now I'm saying the rule. Ik followed by ach. Followed by what is ik? E
Minus
Ayun and Riluk. That is, yeah.
we can say simple vowels
vowel minus
avarna. Avarna, when we say it includes a as well as a also, rasva and dirgha. Right? Ayun, that is e u r, luk. Right? That is ik letter. Simple vowels minus avarna. Followed by ach. Then what will happen? This ik letter will be replaced by, what are the letters, ik letters? I'm taking E and E. U and as well as U. As well as long one, long R. What about L?
Only
Is there
Hraswa.
a long one? No.
No.
So now, when followed by a vowel, whether it is Rasva Ikara or Dirgha Ikara, it will be replaced by Yakara. This is E is Ichu Yashanam Talu. So this Talu is replaced by a Talu Antastha. Similarly, U or U. U is Upu Padmani Yanam Oshtau. It is replaced by corresponding the letter, that is Antastha. So here we are, the Adesha, you know what is Adesha? Adesha, Adstani and all, you know. Adesha is that which
Replaces the Sthani.
Replaces. So here the Adeshas are all Antastha. What is Antastha? Antastaha.
the end letter.
No.
End letter.
Semi-vowels.
It is, Antastha is not end letter. Antastha is semi-vowels. I think you have to go to the basic class, start from class number 1 onwards and please listen. Huh? These are the semi-vowels. So these are the Adesha. Okay. we can represent this all the semi-vowels by a pratyahara. What is that? We can refer to the group of semi-vowels by a pratyahara.
Tal.
Yan.
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 That is yan.
Yan.
Please see that's why Mageshwara Sutra is important. In every class we chant important. I hope all of you know Mageshwara Sutra.
Yes.
By heart. So yan. Start from the 5th sutra where ya is there, yakara. Yavarat. Then up to nakara. So yakara, vakara, repa. What about takara?
No, it letter.
That is it letter. Don't consider. And nakara is
It
it letter. And that also it letter only. Nasalized vowel. Therefore, lakara alone you have to take it. Understand? So only pure consonants. Yakara, vakara, repa, and lakara. These are the contents of the pratyahara yan. Understand?
Basically semi-vowels.
Exactly. It's of semi-vowels. So now the semi-vowels are the adesha. That's a rule. So now 4 are there. Now we have to select Swayambara. You have to select the right. The bride has to select the right bridegroom. How to select? E is Talu. And we have got 4 choice. Which one you will select? Which one is the best option? Horoscope matching.
Yeah.
So we cannot select Lakara, which is gentle. We cannot select Repa, which is Murdana. That is why now I said, see, we need this Shiksha Sutrani also. Otherwise, you won't be able to, able to understand all this thing. Repa is by in the Shiksha Sutra where it is the Repa. Ruturashanam, Murdha, Lutulasanam, Dantaha. This is dental, this is cerebral, Murdanya. And Yakara is?
Murdan.
Yashanan Talu palatal.
Itu yashana.
This Vakara is?
Dantavashtam.
Dantoshtam.
Dantavashtam. So, E or E being a Talu should be replaced by a corresponding Antasta. Now I will replace Antasta by the Pratyahara Yan. So Yan means you need to understand it is Antasta.
Yeah.
Short way to represent all the semi-vowels. N letter. I will say N letter. N letter means not Tamil N. Not N letter, one letter. N means semi-vowel.
Yeah.
Okay. Please understand. N is all the semi-vowels. Like we use the word Ach. We are familiar with Ach. Ach meaning all the vowels.
All vowels.
So Ak is all the simple vowels. Similarly, N is all the semi-vowels. Now, E being a Talu, what will be the right choice? You cannot select any of this Vakara, Repa, or Lakara. Now, Yakara is the right choice. That is the replacement. What is Stani? E or E is a Stani, which will be replaced by corresponding Adesha, Yakara. Similarly, U or U, which is Upu Padmaniyanam, Oshtau, labial letter. Which is the labial among this?
Vakara.
Dantavashtam. Vakaram.
Vakara. Vakara is the Oshta letter. Vakara is the Danta Oshtam. Therefore, that is the right choice. Other semi-vowels do not have that Ucharana Sthanam. They are not labial, right? Therefore, we select Vakara as the right choice. Can there be any other right choice? No. Understand? Similarly, now, R or R. Ruturashanam?
Murdha.
Murdha. So which is the Murdha letter?
Repa.
So Repa will be the replacement. Right? Repa will come. And I'm writing only the pure consonant. Okay. Ya means in the Mageshwara Sutra, Hayavarat, Ya is the A is added to all the letters for Ucharana. Okay. Therefore, A I'm removing. All this, I think you know it. I told you already. So you cannot say, yeah, it is Yakara. Yakara will be the replacement, not Ya. Vakara is the replacement. Similarly, Repa is the replacement. We don't say Rakara, please note. Rakara is Ashuddha. Asadu Shabda. Repa. Then L is, what is L? Ucharana sthanam, the bubble L.
Danta.
Utalasanam,
Dantaha.
dantaha,
Danta.
dantya. Dantya varna dental. Which is dental among the four?
La. Lakara.
Suppose if there are more dentals or more murdanya, then further we narrow it down by other step. That is not required for us. In some other context, we will see. But here we don't have any problem. We can easily select. Right? So Lakara is the right choice for Lakara. Next time. So now the rule is the N letters are the replacement. Replacement meaning Adesha, right? N are the Adesha. Therefore, this Sandhi is called N Sandhi. As we call Savarna Dirgha Sandhi based on the Adesha. Savarna Dirgha is the Adesha. Now here N happens to be the replacement. Therefore, the Sandhi is called N Sandhi. N Sandhi meaning N letters are the replacements for Ik letters. Now, do you understand this? How this we made? Right? So, this is one way of saying, but there is another way of saying also. So, Ik letters, see, just because we know the Ucharana Sthanam and all, therefore, you can easily select the Adesha from among the four, right? Or otherwise also, you see the order. What are the Ik letters? E, U, L, and L. E stands for long vowel. U, similarly, U stands for is long vowel. Rikara, similarly long, all those. Now, what about N? Ya,
La. Va.
Va,
Ra.
Ra. Is it not the same order from the Nagesha Sutra? You're not flipping the letters of the order. Understand?
Yes.
Yara lava in the
Can you
Bhashaya.
repeat this? Can you repeat this? I didn't catch this. Can you repeat it?
E, Ik letters are from Nagesha Sutra. What is the order? E, U, R, L. That is the order, right? The content of the Ik Pratyahara. See, what are the contents of Ik letter? E, followed by U, followed by R, followed by L, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Similarly, N, Yakara, followed by Vakara, followed by Repa, Repa followed by Lakara. So, therefore, I'm just listing like this. 4 letters, these are the sthani, replaced by corresponding this Adesha. In that way also we can interpret this. 4 people have come to your house, 4 chairs are there. First person occupies the first chair, second person, second chair, third person, third chair, fourth person, fourth chair, respectively. Simple, right? Same thing here also. Corresponding replacement. Or it can be interpreted the way I said also. In both ways, it's okay. When we study Sutra, that time we'll see one commentator will say 4 sthanis are there, therefore replaced by 4 corresponding adeshas, replacements. That is one way of interpreting this. Other way of interpreting by another rule, another sutra is based on the Ucharana Sthanam. Also it matches. Anyway, we can interpret. It's not a problem, right? In both ways you can understand. Is it clear?
Yes.
So now we see the example. Yadi plus api. Yadi, the purva pada ending with ikara. Parapadam, the following word beginning with akara. Now, can we apply Savarna Dirgha Sandhi?
No.
No.
This is Ik letter followed by, this is, okay. You see, this is ak. Yes or no? Ak only. With an ak, the
Yes.
ikara is there.
Yes.
Followed by ak is there. So ak followed by ak. Why don't we do Savarna Dirgha?
Not Savarna.
Yeah, it is not Savarna. Therefore, we cannot apply. Therefore, how do you say then ik followed by ach here? That's not correct. When you say ik followed by ach includes e also. Right? Therefore, here in this, there is a combination possible. What combination? Again, I am writing, you see. E followed by the combination, all the possibilities. E followed by E, E followed by
U,
U, E followed by, see,
A,
lot
R,
of combinations. I cannot write all. E, U, Ru,
R,
Ru,
and L.
E followed by Likara. Anyway, we don't use much in the language. Therefore, we need not worry. Similarly, E or E followed by A means it includes A also. Similarly, E or E followed by E or E. All the combinations are included in this. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
You follow what I'm saying? All of you.
Yes.
Yeah.
R or R. And similarly, E or E followed by L. We don't have now. This is only for, so here we have 4 combinations. E plus A, E plus A. E plus A, E plus A. Understand? Similarly, here E plus E, E plus E. E plus E, E plus E. 4 combinations. So for same thing, will it not be for Ukara, the next one? Uvarna, among the in letters. Who will be? Not only here, see, it's not at over. Ach is there. Doesn't stop with the L. Please note.
We have A, I,
What about next one?
A,
After
I,
L, A. A only. We don't have a short. A. And E or E plus
I,
O. A Om.
Yeah.
Then E or E plus I.
Au.
Oh. All these, how many combinations are there? You see, right? All this captured in just a one small sutra. Not only this, all the letters. That is, next one is Ukara. That is why Alpaksharam, Asandigdam, everything. If you write individually for each one sutra,
So here,
then you will have 40
especially in the
sutras.
yeah, sorry, especially in the second combination, if you see, right? So when we encounter a second combination, so how will we know whether
We'll
we
come
have
to
to
that.
apply?
Yes,
Yeah,
I know. I'm just writing the combination. You'll see. Similarly, Uvarna, Ukara or Ukara followed by Akara or Akara. So all these combinations possible. Ukara or Ukara followed by E or E. I'm just writing the combinations. You understand the combinations?
Yes.
When I say Ik followed by H, is it clear what I'm saying?
Yes.
Similarly, for E and U, other one is after that U, we have Repa, right? Sorry, E, U, R, then R we have. R or R. Rikara followed by Avarna, Rivarna followed by Yavarna, Rivarna followed by Uvarna, Rivarna followed by Rivarna, Rivarna followed by Likara, Rivarna followed by Ekara, Rivarna followed by Okara, Aikara, Aukara. And Lu I'm not considering because we don't use much in the language, so we don't have any much application of that because words are not there, so we don't need to worry. If it is there, then I'll tell the rule we are going to apply. Okay. So understand this, right? So now, if these combinations are possible by this rule, Ik followed by Ach. Now, Ik. See, another thing is, Ik when followed by Ach, not both are replaced. Understand? What did I say? Ik is replaced by Yan, unlike Savarna Dirgha. In this case of Savarna Dirgha, both preceding and succeeding are replaced by corresponding Savarna Dirgha. Understand? But here it is not both. What happens? Ik alone replaced. That's what I have written here, right? Where is that? Here. Ikara replaced by Yakara. These are the replacement. Understand? That is one thing you need to note. Second thing is what Krishna Swamiji you asked. All the combinations are possible, but this combination is covered by
Savarna Dirgha.
Therefore, this is Apavada. This is exception to that. When Savarna forms, then don't apply Yan Sandhi. This combination is taken out. Otherwise, Savarna Dirgha will never apply. You will have problem. Then why that rule is there? So in that sense, it is exception. Understand? Savarna Dirgha is exception to Yan Sandhi. Understand? Similarly, when Uvarna, what combination we have to need to remove?
U plus U.
Remove that. So in all other combinations, we need to apply this Yan Sandhi. Similarly, In Rivarna,
Ru-
Likara followed by this. Remove that. Same thing you can do for Likara also. For the sake of doing, I'm doing. Okay, though we don't have that Likara much in the language. And for the sake of doing, I'm doing this. L followed by A. L followed by Ivarna. Likara followed by Uvarna. Likara followed by Likara. What is this? Likara followed by Likara? Savarna. Right? That also will be ruled out from this Sandhi. Is it clear?
Yes.
So how many combinations are there if we count? This not. It's all the combinations. Just put it in a form of one simple, small sutram over. That's what the beauty of sutra is.
Mm.
Beautifully
Otherwise,
designed.
this is a small thing of that sutra bhata. There are so many things are there, big things. What you are seeing is the only particle of that whole. Okay, the whole is how much you can imagine. That is compressed. The entire thing is compressed just in nearly 4,000 sutras. Otherwise, you require 4 lakh sutras to cover everything. Understand? So these combinations are all included when I say when ik is followed by
Yeah.
ach, ik is replaced by corresponding n letter. We follow.
Yes.
Now let us see the example. Yadi plus api, that is the example. Now Ivarna followed by, now before that, sorry. The rule, can we say ik plus ach? We need to add something here. Then only the rule is valid because we have taken out the Savarna possibility, right? Then what we need to add?
Non-Savarna.
Beautiful. That's a non-Savarna should be followed by not a Savarna. So I can write like this, Asavarna. Asavarna is negative of Savarna. Savarna, Asavarna means non-similar vowel. When ik letters are followed by a non-similar vowel, right? Now it makes sense. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Then ik should be replaced by, correspondingly by, we can say, or matching with the pronunciation, place of pronunciation. Anyway, we can do corresponding n letters. Now come to the example. Yadi plus api. E is followed by non-savarna ach. Therefore, what will get replaced by what?
Ikara will get replaced by yakara.
Therefore, what you will have?
Idyapi.
Yadyapi.
Yadyapi.
Idyapi. Idyapi.
Yadyapi. Even though, that is the meaning yadyapi. Right? Understand? Any doubts in this?
Clear, sir.
Anyway, I will give more examples, we will see. But just introducing this Sandhi. Okay. So now I'll give some example. Let us see how you split. I will take from Gita. Atmani plus eva.
Atmanyeva. Atmaneva.
Yakara.
E is replaced by,
Ye.
Yeah.
Atman.
not ye. E is replaced by yakara.
Yakara.
Yakara followed by ye. Atmanyeva.
Atmanyeva.
Atmanyeva. Atmaneva atmana tushtaha. Sadapranyah tada uchyate. Gita. Atmani plus eva. Atmanyeva. Right? Then Guru plus Ajna. I'm joining two Pradipadikams. It's a compound. Guru plus Ajna.
Gurvadnya. U gets replaced.
Yes. Ukara is replaced by
Makara.
Vakara. Vakara followed by A, just Melanam. Gurvajna.
Ruvagnya.
Vakara comes out because of
U replacement.
now. You remember Hari Shabda we learned. Harihi, Hari,
Haraya.
Harayaha.
Harayaha.
Yeah, is you can now you can understand. E Hari Shabda. Therefore Yaha. Guru is Guruhu. Guru. Why
Guravaha.
is that? This is the connection. U Vaha. You can see the connection. Pitru. Pita. Pitarau.
Pitara.
Pitaraha.
Pitaraha. Repa is there.
Rikara replaced by Repa.
Bharata may be a sutra. Sutra may be different, but you can connect Repa, that correspondence, right? Understand? Please ask if you have any doubts, all of you. Unmute and ask any doubts. Later, please don't ask what is Samhita. Now itself you have clarify what is what.
Sharanji, now it makes sense. In our school, they had just taught Iko Yanachi, Yen Sandhi, something like
Yes,
that. Now
that's what. The sutra is Iko-Enachi. Yes.
It makes so much sense.
Yeah, Iko-Enachi is a sutra. We'll see how explain the sutra later and we'll study further. The whole combinations are covered in that. Okay, now let us see. We will see many examples. Okay, I'm going to explain that Yen Sandhi with my notes again later. Now let us Gita we'll see. Gita chanting we'll do little later. Now here. I'll show you some example. Okay, you answer. I give tell the word. Tatra plus apashyat. What's sandhi?
Savarna Dirgha.
That is tatra apashyat savarna dirgha sandhi. Similarly here, paraya plus avishtaha.
Savarna Dirgha.
There
Savarna
also
Dirgha.
paraya vishtaha, overpowered by kripa, compassion. Then okay. We don't have the language yet. Therefore, you won't be able to split. But I split, you can see the Shaknomi avasthatum.
Ikara replaced by Akara.
Yen Sandhi here.
Sandhi.
Yeah.
Yen Sandhi. That's what we learned now. Shaknomi means it is Uttama Purusha Ekavachanam. I am able to. Avasthatum. Na avasthatum. Na should be connected. I am not able to stand. Shaknomi plus avasthatum. You understand how the Sandhi happened?
Yeah.
Yes or no, all
Yeah.
of you?
Yes.
Please
Yes.
ask. Again, I'm saying if you have doubts, please ask now and there itself. Even if it's basic doubts, please clarify now. It's better. Shaknomi. See, don't worry about how long the word is. Doesn't matter. Last letter and the first letter important. Last letter of the first word, first letter of the following. The word may be 1 mile long. Doesn't matter. What does it end with? And what the letter follows. That is what Sandhi is, Samhita is. There are only change going to happen. So don't let your focus be on how big the word is. That's a mistake we do generally. Don't do that. Shaknomi, me, e. Avasthatum, a. E plus a. Yen Sandhi, Shaknom yavasthatum. You see the euphonic, the easy pronunciation. Shaknomi plus avasthatum, e plus a, e is talu, a is kanta, both now combine and becomes yavasthatum. A is there, a is not swallowed. But e for the sake of, easy pronunciation. That's what Sandhi is all about. Right? Shaknom yavasthatum. Then Brahmati plus Iva. What's Sandhi?
Savarna Dirgha Sandhi.
Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. Okay. So you'll be able to, anyway, Brahmati, we should know what Brahmati is. Brahmati is Lakara, present tense, like Gachati, Patati, Brahmati. Brahmati Iva. Me Manaha. Okay, then.
Rajyena. No.
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 Here. This is the example in fact I gave. What's Sandhi?
Yen Sandhi.
Yen Sandhi.
Two are there. 3 words are there here. Okay, let us see. Take this word. Yadyapyetena pashyanti lobho pagata chetasaha. Yadyap Yete. Right? This is the Yadyapyete. 3 words are there.
Yadi, api,
All the words you know it. Not that you don't know. All the words you know it. That's why the vocabulary part also you know it. Now this is simple. First word is Yadi.
api,
Then
ete,
Api. Plus
Ete.
ete.
Ete means you know. Yesha Heto Yete.
Yes.
Api is Avyayam. Yadi is also Avyayam. Yadi plus what sandhi? N sandhi. Yadyapi.
Ensandi.
It's Sandhi.
Yadyapi. E followed by
Also in Sandhi.
non-savarna, dissimilar vowel. Then E will be replaced by Ye.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry, Yakara. Yakara plus Ye. Ye.
Yeah.
Yadyapyete. Understand?
Yes.
So Yadyapyete. Okay. So this is I'll give some more examples. Gita we will see. I'll just copy from my notes. You see, Karmani plus again from Gita. Later it comes. Karmani plus Atandritaha will be Karmani is a padam.
Plus.
Atandritaha is another padam.
Yatandritaha.
So Karman Yatandritaha, it will become Karman. E is replaced by Yakara Yatandritaha. Karman Yatandritaha. Pachanti Atma Karanat. Ye Pachanti Atma Karanat. Sahastenaha is a thief. Something Gita. Pachanti. E is replaced by
Pachanti yatmakaranat.
Ya.
Pachan.
Pachatya.
Yatmakara.
Pachanti
Atmakaranat.
yatmakaranat.
Not Yatma, Atma Karanat. Pachanti Atma Karanat.
Yeah.
Iti plus Adi plus Atma. Iti plus Adi.
Ityadi.
Ityadi.
Yatma.
E plus again. E is replaced by
Yatma.
Ityadhyatma.
Yadatma.
Understand? Mayi plus Eva.
Mayyeva.
Mayeva.
Mayeva. So Mayi is replaced by Yakara, then Ye, Mayeva. Right? Mayi plus Eva, Mayeva. Tani plus Eva,
Tanyeva.
Aneva.
Tatate Tani. Eva is Aviya. Tanyeva. Right? So like that we can do. This is Yen Sandhi. Now you understand what Yen Sandhi is?
Yes, sir.
Unlike Savanidirga, here the N is replaced by corresponding, sorry, the Ik is replaced by corresponding N letter.
Aj.
Okay. So now we will do some, I'll combinedly I'll give both Savanadirga and this also. You spot that. And Savanadirga, your homework, all of you have done, but you need to discuss that also. Okay, 1 minute. Otherwise, we'll directly will read here quickly. Now you see Savana Dirga Sandhi, from there we stopped in this file. Nanushochitam. Na plus Anushochanti
Nanushochanti.
is very clear. Na plus Anushochanti, A plus A, Savana Dirga.
Nanu shochanti.
Nashochanti. Okay, I will ask you to tell quickly, each one of you. Now start from Krishna Swamiji. Shutva plus Api.
Trutvapi.
Shutvapi. We can put Avagraha, Shutva, A can be, in the place of A, we can put one Avagraha, Shutvapi. Your choice. There's no rule. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That is Shutva Pi. We can, Avagraha shows that A is, so that it is easy for you to split. Don't think that A is that also I will put no. Avagraha is for to understand the following word, not for everything. Okay. So if Avagraha is there, it means Avagraha stands for one akara. So for api, then Shutva api, you know it. For easy split. Publisher they give like that. Na plus asam.
Nasam.
Not Tamil Nasam, okay. Here na plus asam. Asam means Uttama Purusha Ekavachan. I was not there. Tatvevagam jatu nasam. In Bhagavad Gita, 12th shloka, second chapter. Natvam neme janadipaha, that he says. Jahati plus iha.
Adiha.
Jahatiha.
Jahatiha. Dhumena plus avriyate.
Dhumena vriyate.
Dhumena vriyate. All of you, do you know the Gita? Have you studied some chapters to appreciate what is Sandhi? I mean, Dhumena vriyate, which chapter? No? Don't know. Okay, fine. No, if it is there, I will talk about that. Otherwise, I'll just move on. Okay. Otherwise, what I say will not make any sense. Dhumena vriyate vagnihi yata etol bhena. Like that in the Gita, the third chapter, shloka is there. Anyway. Yadi plus idrisham.
Yadidrisham.
Yadidrisham. Cha plus akirtihi.
Akirtihi.
Cha kirtihi. Again, all are from Gita. Indriyani plus indriyarthebhyaha.
Indriyanindriyartebhyaha.
Yes. Indriyani indriyarthebhyaha. Okay. Next person. Chitraji. Tava plus ahita.
Tavahita.
Tavagita. Sanyasya adhyatma chetasa.
Sanyasyadhyatma chetasa.
Not sannyas. Sanyasyadhyatma chetasa. You cannot change the here and all. Last is a plus a. Sanyasyadhyatma chetasa. Mai sarvani karmani. Sanyasya adhyatma chetasa. Gita. Third chapter. 30th shloka. Na plus abhinandati.
Nabhinandati.
Cha plus, yes. Cha plus ayuktasya.
Chayuktasya.
Nitya plus acharaha.
Nityacharaha.
Nityachara means hypocrite. Nityacharasya uchyate. Bhavayata plus anena.
Bhavayatanena.
Bhavayatanena. Say it properly. Bhavayatanena. Na plus akrutena.
Nakrutena.
Na plus anuvartayiti plus iha.
Nanu vartayatiha.
Yes. Nanuvartayatiha. Savitriji. Na plus anavaptavyam.
Nanavaptavyam.
It's also in Gita, third chapter. Ulbena plus avritaha.
Ulbenavrataha.
Dhumena vriyate anahi tatolbhena vrataha. Again, say the same shloka only. Dushpurena plus analena.
Dushpurena nalena.
Eva plus adhikaraha.
Evadhikaraha.
This must be knowing what shloka. Karmanyevadhikaraha. See, karmani plus eva, yansandi. Karmanyeva. Karmanyeva plus adhikaraha. Karmanyevadhikaraha. The shloka, I think all of you must be knowing. Karmanyevadhikaraste napaleshu. Kadachana. Karmani plus eva plus adhikara. To understand the words, we need to know sandhi. Otherwise, how would you split? So, karmani plus eva plus adhikaraha in action. Karmani is, okay. Another thing also I tell you, please note. All of you pay attention here. This is a good example. I just write karman ye vadikaraha. What is the word? Karmanye vadikaraha or karmanya vadikaraha?
Karmani eva.
Karman. Karman.
It is karmanye vadikaraha or karmanye vadikaraha?
Karmanyevadhikara.
It is karmanye vadikara. Therefore, when you split. So adhikaraha, already we saw adhikara last. See, whatever words, in that combination, here the three words are there. That you take it out first.
Karmani eva adhi.
Karmani, I will ask you. That is what I catch is that. No. Eva is there. Eva adhikara,
Eva adhikaraha.
Eva is also, I hope
Yes.
you know, right?
Yes.
Yen sandhi. Eva plus adhikara, what sandhi? Savana dirgha.
Vanadeva.
Now, Eva plus adhikara, suppose you know these two words from this. What is left out now?
Karman.
Karman plus is a yen sandhi, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So it has
Now
to be
tell me,
ikara.
E or E.
Yeah.
Both are possible, right?
Yes.
Oh, yes.
Karmani also.
Even
is
if it is karmani, then also karmanyeva adhikara.
Yes.
If it is karmani, then
Then
also,
Yes. Karmaneva.
now
Karmanyeva.
which one you will take it? That's why I'm asking karmani. And also we have karmani also. Anyway, that is not there. Karmani or karmani? Which one is correct?
Hrasva, karmani.
How do you take karmani?
Because
Because
Karmani is context.
I think
Ah.
because of Saptami.
Exactly. That we will learn later. Don't worry. Okay. Karmani is napumsaka. Karmani is napumsakalinga shabda. We have not learned. Nakaranta shabda. Not pala shabda. Don't think karma, karma. Nothing like that in the language is not there. Right? Okay. So karmani is pratama vibhakti. Dvivachanam. That has no meaning here at all. In action alone, you have adhikara. That is the context. Bhagavan says, right? You have choice only in action. So, therefore, saptami meaning is there in the word here. Therefore, you cannot take karmani. Even though karmani, the word is there in the language, that is not applicable. So, context also you know what word is there. You understand? So, therefore, you have to see that. The karmani alone will fit. So, therefore, when you do sandhi vicheda, you must be familiar with the words also, vocabulary. That is why vocabulary is important. That's why all the shabdas we learn, right? Knowledge of the shabdas, the words important. Otherwise, how do you split? How do you know? It is E or E. And context also. Of course, context makes difference. Now, here if you say karmani also, I will accept, no problem. With whatever knowledge you have split like this, it is fine, accepted. Nothing, no dosha in that. But after, when you have having learned, and the Gita and the context, then there you should be able to split properly. Understand?
Sharanji, how does the shabda go? Karma, what shabda is it?
Karma, karmani, karmani, nakaranta shabda. So we will learn that little later. Nakaranta, alanta we have not started. Even Ajanta itself is not yet over Srilinga. We'll come to that. Okay, here it is karmani only. Okay, anyway, even if you say karmani, I said it's not a problem. We accept, no dosha. Similarly for the Savarna Dirgha Sandhya also. This is not only for here. Even Savarna Dirgha Sandhya also. Right? Okay. Then please continue. Sarvatra plus anabhisnegaha. Savitrishi.
Sarvatra nabhisnehaha.
Sarvatra nabhisnegaha. Eva plus ayam.
Evayam.
Evayam. Vartma plus anuvartante.
Vatmanu vartante.
Mama vartmanu vartante. Manushyaha partha sarvashaha. Kritva plus api.
Kritvapi.
Kritvapi. Now Sindhuraji. Brahma plus arpanam.
Brahmarpanam.
Now you know what this shloka is, right?
Yes.
Brahmarpanam is not one word. It is Brahma plus Arpanam. For that, we need to understand that shloka, bhashya, etc. Then only you will know. Otherwise, it can be a compound also, but it's not a compound. In Bhashyam, Shankaracharya says like that. Brahma plus Arpanam, they are individual, padam, separate words, joined. Brahma plus Arpanam, Brahma Arpanam. Karma plus Kilam, Akilam.
Karma khilam.
Na plus Adhatte.
Na datte.
Achirena plus Adhigachati.
Achirenadhigachati.
Cha plus Apriyam.
Chapriyam.
Tyaktva plus Atmashuddhaye.
Tyaktvatmashuddhaye.
Ajnanena plus Avrutam.
Ajnanenavritam.
Jnanena, what is the Pratipadikam?
Ajnana.
Palena, what is the Pratipadikam?
Jnanam.
Not Jnanam. Palena, what is the Pratipadikam?
Phala.
Phala.
Don't say Palam.
Phala.
Don't say Palam.
Phala.
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 Akarantaha napumsakalinga shabdaha we have seen. Important. Pala is the Pratipadikam. It's Ajanta Shabda. Don't say Palam. Palam, when you say it becomes Makaranta. And we have Makaranta Shabdas. That is it Palam is Makaranta? No. It's not Halanta. It is Ajanta. Please don't make this mistake. Correction. You need to understand very clearly. Phala is a Shabda. This is a general mistake people do it. Palam is not a Shabda. Phala is a Shabda. Phalam is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam, Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam, Phala. Sorry, Dvitiya Vibhakti, Ekavachanam. So, Ajnanena, like Palena, therefore Pratipadikam is Jnana.
Jnana.
Jnanam Jnane Jnanani, Jnanam Jnane Jnanani.
Tritiya ekavachanam.
Tritiya. And the negative of Jnanena, na Jnanena, Ajnanena. It's a compound. Negative compound it is. Plus Avrutam. Avrutam, what is a Pratipadikam?
Is it also a Napumsaka?
Same. Avruta is a Pratipadikam.
Avrita.
Avrutam, Avrute?
Avritani.
Avrutani.
Same. Avrutam is Avrutam. It's a verbal derivative. This is a noun derived from a verb, Avrutam. Okay, next one. Continue. Atmana plus Atmanam.
Atmanatmanam.
Yena plus Atmana.
Yenatpana.
Yena, you know. Yena is, what is the Pratipadikam?
Yad.
Yad, Dakarantaha. It can be any linga. But we can take Pullinga here because Atmana is Pullinga. Atman Shabda. That is also Nakaranta. Don't worry, we're not interested in that. But this is Dakaranta Shabda. Yad Shabda. Yaka yo ye. Yam yo yan. Then after that,
Yena yabhyam yaihi.
Yena yabhyam yaihi.
be able to spot what Vibhakti, what Vachanam immediately by seeing this.
Hmm.
Yenatmana, right?
Yes.
Na plus Ati Nicham.
Nati nicham.
Sada plus Atmanam.
Sadatmanam.
Sadatmananda. Sadatmanam. Right? Sada is,
Always.
how do you decline?
Avyayam.
It is indeclinable.
Avyayam.
Na plus Atyashnataha.
Natyashnataha.
Okay, Natyashnataha. Kalu plus Utsagaha.
Khalutsahaha.
Okay, next person now. Soumya ji, you read. Nanu plus Upayogaha.
Nanupyogaha.
Nanu is, how do you decline Nanu? Like Guru? Guru, Nanu, Nanu. No. Nanu is indeclinable.
Avyayam.
It is Avyayam. Please note. Nanu means it's an objection. Nanu, objection means in the Akshepa. Aksheparte, Nanu. No. When there is some objection, we say Nanu. Then Aduna plus Aham plus Ayami. Samyaji.
Adunaham Adunaham ayami.
Many people, they think this A plus A. This is wrong. In your homework, I have seen. They make it, as though this is Makara, just Melanam. Don't do Sandhi any. What Sandhi is here? Is it a Ak letter followed by Savarnat? Please check your notes. Aham plus Ada Ayami, just joining. This is Melanam, not Sandhi. Aham plus A, Makara plus A. Mamma, Mimi, Mummu, same thing. Right? Ahamayami. Sandhi is only here. Here there is no Sandhi here. Okay, please note. Adunahamayami. Right? Whether you join this or you don't join, it is same only. Makara plus A just follows, therefore it becomes Ma. Sandhi is here. Okay. Megha plus Achanna plus Akasha.
Megachanna akasha.
Yes. Megha Channa. Channa Akasha. Tasya plus Adya plus Arohanam.
Tasyadya तस्याद्या आरोहणम्
No, you have to dirgha, you have to say properly. Again,
तस्याद्या
rohanam.
रोहणम्
Tasyadya rohanam. Tasya, what vibhakti, what vachanam? You know this shabda. This padam.
Adha.
That shabda.
Tat shabda Shashti Vibhakti Ekavachana.
Sagatote, tam totan. In pullinga, so napum sakalinga, tasya is shashti bhakti ekavachanam. Please memorize the shabdas. Important. Up to date shabda, all the shabdas should be there. Adya avyayam. Arohanam, what is arohanam? Arohanam, what vibhakti, what vachanam? It's a padam. Okay. Arohana, like pala.
Apo Napumsakalinga.
Like pala. Napumsakalinga. Arohanam, arohane, arohanani. It is also verbal derivative. Climbing. The action denotes an action. Okay. Then Shrutva, next one. Shrutva plus Atha plus Ashramat.
श्रुत्वा ताश्रमात्
Shrutva Tashramat. Read fluently again.
श्रुत्वा ताश्रमात्
Shrutva Tashramat. Okay. Shrutva is verbal derivative. Don't worry about that. It is avyayam. Atha is, of course, it is avyayam. And Ashramat, what vivakti, what vachanam? Somyaji, first you say. You don't know, others can answer.
Panchami.
No, she will answer. Okay. Like Ramat. Rama Shabda is what?
रामात्
Ramat. Panchami is Ramat. So therefore, what will be the Pradipadikam?
आश्रम
Ashrama is the Pradipadikam. You have to spot like that. That is why Shabda Jnanam is important. Again, I can repeat it. Please memorize. Anamayam plus Ahimsa plus Amanitvam.
अनामया अनामयां वा हिंसा सा मानित्वम्
First, take two words and then
Take off
join.
word. Yes.
Ahimsa plus Amanitvam. Make it one.
अहिंसा मानित्वम्
Yes. Ahimsa Manitvam. Now the word is there. Anamayam plus Ahimsa Manitvam. What Sandhi? Anamayam plus Ahimsa Manitvam. What Sandhi?
सर्व दीर्घ संधि
Not Sarva. That's not Sarva. Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. But here it's not Savarna. It's Makara.
सवर्ण दीर्घ
Not a Ach letter at all. Therefore, it is not even Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. Then what is that? No Sandhi at all. Just joining. Melanam.
Melanam.
Makara plus Akara what? Ma.
Ma.
It's a Melanam. So not Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. Understand?
But-
Anamayam Ahimsa Manitvam. Okay. Makara plus A is not Savarna Dirgha. What is the condition for Savarna Dirgha to happen? Purva Varna must be ending with Ak letter. Is it Ak? No. It is a consonant, not a vowel at all. Therefore, no Sandhi, just join. It's a joining. See, joining, I use the word two different. Combining, joining. Okay, let's distinguish. Combining, okay, in English may be same. But combining means our context Sandhi. Joining is Melana. This is joining, just Melana. Okay, next one. Yatha plus Anatikramya plus Avagamishyami.
यथा नतिक्रम्य okay, that's one word.
Okay.
Uh,
Then,
यथा नतिक्रम्या वगमिष्यामि
yes. Yatha Natikramya Avagamishyami. Okay. Here, Yatha plus Sandhi, Atikramya plus Ava Sandhi. Next one. Sa Akhaditva Archayatva Agachati.
सा सा wait. सार्वादित्वा वार्चयित्वा गच्छति
So it will be like that. Sa We can put one avagraha. Sa kaditva. Again, one more avagraha. Archayitva. Then two avagrahas because agachati kachati. This is so sandhi should be. Even without this also you should be able to spot. If you remove this, suppose for example, right? Now if I ask you to split, how do you split this? Sa kaditva rachayitva. Here maybe there is not this word, therefore you may say archayitva, possible. Then gachati, the meaning itself changes. Saha agachati becomes sa agachati becomes sa gachati. That is why avagraha is given by the publisher. Understand? Because gachati is goes, agachati is comes. So therefore sa kaditvar. So you have to read like this. Sa kaditvar chayitva gachati. Read again fluently.
Sa kaditvar yatva gachati.
Again.
Sa kaditvar chayatva gachati.
First you have to familiar with reading individually. Archayitva. Sa kaditva archayitva. Repeat 2-3 times, it will come automatically. Okay. Practice. Okay. Next one is a long one. This is here also some people made mistake. Please check your notes, correct it. This is there is no Savana Dirgha Sandhi here. Arvindam plus Apashyati. Is it Savana Dirgha? Where is here Ak? Ak is not there. I don't know how you made this. You understand what Savana Dirgha is? I myself, I mean, because I'm repeatedly telling that what Savana Dirgha is, but then how can you add then? Makara plus A is A. How does it become? In Tamil also it is like that, no? A. Whatever the language is, in India or whatever it is. Yeah, there is no ak letter at all. Now can you make Arvinda Pashyat some? I've seen Arvindama Pashyat. No. Arvindam Apashyat. Makara plus A. You understand? Okay. Now you please join, Soumil.
Tadatra malalochana. Tadatra malalochanaya gatya gatyar vindanam
That's a Vindam.
Vindama pashyate.
Yes. Tada plus Atra. One avagraha. So you should be able to split. When it is joined, you should be able to split also. Tadatra. Tadatra plus Amala. Tadatra Mala. Tadatra Mala plus Alochanaya. Two avagrahas. Lochanaya. Then Agatya again. Two avagrahas. Agatya. Then Arvindam. Here one more. Arvindam. Mapashyat. It's just Melanam. Tadatra Malalochanaya Gatya Aravinda. So here Gatya plus Aravinda. Gatya Aravinda. Right? Gatya Tadatra Malalochanaya Gatya Aravinda Mapashyat. So we have to read. So if avagraha is also not there, you should be able to split tadatra. There is no word tadatra in the language. Tada plus atra. Understand?
Sharanji, shouldn't tra be dirgha there?
Which one?
Gatya.
Huh?
Gatyaravinda.
No, the tra. It is followed by avagraha, no? Shouldn't it be dirgha first?
No. This is A is right.
Tadatra.
A only. Amala. Here okay. Yeah. Here Gatyaravinda.
Gatyaravinda.
Agatya plus.
Agatyaravinda Mapashyat.
Yes. Agatyaravinda Mapashyat. Agatya. Yes. Agatya Ravindam Apashyat.
So
But
it
A
will
is there.
Tadatra.
Even tra would be dirgha, right, Charanji? Because akara plus akara, then savarna dirgha akara, no?
Yeah, okay. Yeah, you're saying Tadatra. Yes, Tadatra Mala. Tadatra Mala Lochanaya Gatyara
Lochanaya.
Vindamapash.
Yeah.
Lochanaya. Okay, sorry.
Yeah.
Lochanaya. Tadatra Mala Lochanaya Gatyara Vindamapashyat. This is the combination. So when you split, so here A is elided. I'm just showing A is elided. That's it. Okay. Elision of Akara. Similarly, here A, that Amala, A plus A is there. I'm just showing the elision. Then Mala Lochanaya, Alochanaya, two Akaras. Similarly, Alochanaya and Agatya. Similarly, Gatya Aravinda. I'm just showing the Avagarha to make you see. Okay. Fine. Now, Sandhim Vichedam Kuruta. This is where your only challenge is there. So I helped you by highlighting the point, where Sandhi happened. Otherwise, given the word, how do you split it? Karyalaya is, how do you split? It's difficult. So for you,
Arya
Alaya.
plus
yeah.
Alaya.
Therefore, this here only Sandhi has happened. What Sandhi? Savanadika Sandhi. Now you know only two Sandhis. It is not N Sandhi. It has to be Savanadika. Suppose if you know some 45 Sandhis, then what Sandhi will apply? That's what the practice is. You have to know this to understand those. So don't take this just for granted. See the words, understand this vocabulary. The words are there, and then you need to split appropriately. Okay. Now let us do this. Who wants to try?
I will try.
Who is that? I?
Jayanti.
Yes.
Jayanti.
Yeah.
Bhavatu utsagaha.
Hmm.
Bhavatu utsagaha.
Good.
Nasti.
If you have others, if you have any doubts, please ask. Yeah.
Nasti.
Continue.
Na asti.
Na asti, not na asti. Na is. See.
Na asti.
Another thing I tell you.
Okay.
Between the two, the vowel and what is the difference? This is When you say
yes.
there is contraction of the vocal organ.
Yes, yes.
Means you have to open your mouth.
Rasvam dirgha. Oh.
That's okay. I'm talking in terms of pronunciation.
Prayatna is different. Asyam
Prayatna, it is completely different. But for the sake of Sandhi, we consider the Prayatna to be same. That is grammatically. For grammatical operation, we consider the Prayatna to be same. But actually, Prayatna is not same. What is the Prayatna? Okay, sorry. What Prayatna, we don't know. What is Uchchara Sthanam is Kanta. Sthanam is different. Prayatna also has to match for the word to be Savarna. But Prayatna, they are not of same Prayatna. They don't have same Prayatna. Prayatna is different. If it is different, then how can be Savarna? You remember Savarna?
Matra also.
Please. No. Listen. For two letters to be Savarna, what is the condition? Number one,
has to be same.
Uchcharana
Asyam.
Sthanam, Asyam, and second one,
Be the same.
Prayatna,
Uchcharana
effort. Here, both these letters are the same Uchchara Sthanam, Kanta. No problem. But Asyam is same, but Prayatna is different. If it is different, please, this is a subtle discussion. It's all discussed in advance, but I teach you now itself. Just understand. If Prayatna is not same, then they are not Savarna.
Savarna.
Now, Tada plus Agatya, for example, or not Tada. Tada plus Agachat. I'm just checking. Agachat, I'm making it. Okay. A plus A. What is this? A is the Ak letter, followed by?
Ak.
This is not Savarna. Because Uchcharana Sthanam is same, Asyam is same, Prayatna is different. Then how can you do Savarna Dirgha Sandhi? But that is what we have done. Yes or no?
Yes.
Tada plus Agachat, what we did? We say Tada Agachat. For grammatical operations, we consider the Prayatna to be same. Once a grammatical operations is over, It's over. Then you come to the language. When we pronounce tada agachyate, don't say agachyate. This is a mistake even in chanting we do. You should not do this mistake. You understand what I'm saying? You take some simple shloka also. Even Vakratunda Mahakaya. What is a Vakratunda Mahakaya? See, that also, some people they chant like wrongly. Vakratunda Mahakaya, Kaya, they say Vakratunda Mahakaya, wrong.
Okay.
It is wrong. Mahakaya, A is different from one is either it, see, A is Rasva. Second thing is Dirgha, number one, right? And this is another common mistake. Surya Koti Samaprabha, wrong. A is completely a different varna. One is Dirgha, other one is Prayatnam is different. A and A are not same. You cannot bringing the savarna of Akara wherever you like. In Sandhi context, that A and A are taken to be having same effort, therefore Sandhi is done. But once it is done, when you come to the language, you should appreciate the difference between Akara and Akara. Surya Koti Samaprabha. That A is there, right? Which is contraction. How much ever you try, it cannot be Dirgha. Prabha, no Dirgha. It is A only, contraction. Understand? Its Prayatna is contraction. Surya Koti Samaprabha. Oh, stretch it. It doesn't become long. When you say ah only, it becomes long, because when you say ah, there is complete opening of the mouth. Then only its prayatna is matching with the long vowel, dirgha vowel ah. Then only it is ah. Otherwise, it is ah only. You understand what I'm saying? The subtle point when chanting
Yes.
is important. Second line you see, Sarva Karyeshu Sarvada. There ah is not we are stretching for the sake of meter or singing. Ah is there, ah only. Even if you stretch, that is not a dosha. Ah is long vowel, you are stretching it. Similarly, even if you stretch Rasva Akara, it's not a dosha, but it will not become a long vowel. You understand what I'm saying? Surya Koti Samaprabha. You stretch it. Ah is ah only. Why it doesn't become ah? Because prayatna is different. The uchcharanam is different. You are not saying akara to make it dirgha. You are saying akara. Then how can it be long? You understand? Because you stretch it, it's not long. I don't know whether you understand this. Subtle point. Note this. If not, don't worry. Not required for us then. Okay. Therefore,
Sir,
the point here is this akara and akara, though the effort is different, still for grammatical operations, we take them to be similar. Please note. That is why the sandhi is possible. Understand, Samyaji? Yes. Samyaji is upalakshanam. Okay. It means if one person understands, the other understand. Is it clear? Okay. What is the question, Ji? Just show Samyaji.
Shraddhaya deyam, ashraddhaya deyam. So here
Yes.
also it is.
Ah, Shraddhaya Deyam. You don't say Shraddhaya Deyam. You say Shraddhaya. No. Shraddhaya Deyam Tritiya. Shraddhaya Deyam. Then Kriya Deyam. Dhiya Deyam.
Second one,
Samvida.
ashraddhaya deyam.
Ashraddhaya. It is
Okay.
Ashraddhaya. See, because you're asking another interesting the context of. See, Shraddhaya Deyam has got meaning. Shraddhaya Deyam. Right? And Ashraddhaya Deyam means, is it not contradicting? Shraddhaya
Yes.
Deyam. Ashraddhaya Deyam means should be given. You give with Shraddha, Bhakti. Right? You don't give with Bhakti. You don't give with the Shraddha. Is it the meaning? No. Ashraddhaya Adeyam. The Savana Dirgha Sandhi. This is not, it could be there, it could not be there. Publisher's choice. But it is, when you split, Ashraddhaya adeyam should not be given with ashraddha. Understand? Therefore, it is not contradicting the previous one. The Upanishad saying Shraddhaya Deyam iti Uktaha, having said, the Upanishad said Ashraddhaya Deyam. It means Ashraddhaya Adeyam. So Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. Right? Okay. This is incidental. Fine. So what I was saying is Akara and Akara, they are similar for all our grammatical operations. So now, because you said Jayantaji, Na plus Asti, that's why I'm correcting. It is not
asti. Na
Na.
asti.
Na cannot be it cannot become. It is contraction of the vocal organ. Na asti, nasti. Right?
Yes.
Please continue.
Tastyaham. Tasya aham.
Aham. Is there any word aham?
Tasya aham. Sorry.
Sharan,
Tasya aham.
Asti,
Yeah.
I have a question.
Yes.
So, would
Tasya-
be na plus asti or na plus asti?
Na plus asti. There is no word na. Is there any word na? Na is there the language?
No.
There is no word na. Na. No. Na plus asti nasti. Okay, next one.
Chatishva Prashilaha.
This is like in Tamil, if you say, that what is that sentence? For joking, they say,
Sukumi.
Sukimi Tipili. That's
Yes.
like that. You are making like that. You say Nasra Panashilaha. What is Panashilaha? Shilaha, Panashilaha, Swapna Shilaha. You have to spot Swapna. The word Swapna, in our language of Tamil also it is
Swapna.
there.
Yes. Yes.
Swapna Shilaha, not Panashilaha. Is there any Panashilaha?
Oh. Cha
You read-
ad-
No,
Cha
you read.
ati
See, you
swapna
try to read the words as many times as possible, slowly from the end. Laha, Shilaha. Shilaha, the word is meaningful.
Yes.
Then
Yes.
Pranashilaha, it's not meaningful. I mean, at least we have not heard like that in our language also. Swapnashilaha makes sense. Then Tisapnashilaha, that's not Tisapnashilaha. Then here only Sandhi has happened. What is that word is letter is hiding there?
Cha ati.
Yes. Cha plus Atiswapnashilaha. Atiswapna means the one who sleeps more, who has a habit of sleeping
Okay.
more, right? Achati Swapnashilaha. In Gita only comes Na plus Ati Swapnashilaha. Okay. Anyway, this Sandhi will
Ihapi.
stop here. It's okay. This is your homework. From here,
Okay.
just please split this. Now, as I said, now joining is easy. Splitting is difficult. Unlike in Vyavahara. In Vyavahara, splitting is easy, joining is difficult. But in
If
Sandhi,
unknown words are coming, it is very difficult.
yes, of course. That's why vocabulary is important. We will learn vocabulary also through this. So we have a lot of words are there. I'm sending through WhatsApp. After that, I will send you the file also, but not now because you need to work. So go at least, from this, take 20 words at 20 Sandhi, do it. I'm not expecting you to do everything. But please do it religiously, the homework, so that you will understand. If you don't know homework, then you will not be able to understand what I'm saying. Okay, now this Sandhi we can give here. Shabda, just another 10 minutes, we will stop. The last class we started here, our interruption happened. So I was introducing Strilinga Shabda. Though we know, but here you can see all the Shabdas in general, ending with a long vowel, they are considered to be what linga? Strilinga, right? So akara, ikara, ukara, those Shabdas. Rikara also, it's one Shabda, Rikara also is there. Rikara also, they are Strilinga Shabda. Now let us take Rama. Rama is a Shabda. Another word for Shabda is
Padam.
huh?
Pradam.
No.
Pratipadikam.
Pratipadikam. I'm asking Shabda. Shabda meaning noun base. Pratipadikam, not Padam. Padam is noun form. I'm specifically asking in this context Shabda, then it is Pratipadikam, noun base. So Rama is Akaranta Pratipadikam, ending with the letter akara. When you do varna vicheda, this is varna vicheda. Sandhi vicheda, varna vicheda. You understand the vicheda? Vicheda is splitting. Here varna vicheda. Repa plus akara plus makara plus akara. Therefore akarantaha, what linga? Strilingaha, shabda, rama shabdaha. That is the description. Right? Similarly, lata akarantaha, strilingaha, lata shabdaha. And if you want more shabda, please see Lalita Sahasranamam. We have a lot of shabdas are there. And here we have again some Bala, Utpitika, Amba, Nasika, Mala, Yamuna, all the rivers also. Ganga, Yamuna, all are. Right? Except, of course, Brahmaputra is Pullinga. Then Daya, Petika, Durga. You can see bunch of words. All are Strilinga. Luta, spider. Rajika, mustard. Griva, Shambhu Griva.
Rajika.
So like that. Bhumika, Karika, Kshudrika. Then you will see in Lalita Sahasranamam, all the words are of course Srilinga, and you will have a lot of Akara and the Srilinga Shabda. Okay. Manorupekshi Kodanda, one word. It's a compound. See, we'll have a lot of compounds are there. In fact, only compounds are there, I could say. Manorupekshi Kodanda, like Rama Shabda. Akarantaha, Strilingaha, Manorupekshi Kodanda Shabdaha. How do you decline? Rama Rame Ramaha. Manorupekshi Kodanda, Manorupekshi Kodande, Manorupekshi Kodandaha. Right? Udyadbhanu Sahasrabha, Strilinga. Aprameya, Strilinga. Akaranta. Ragaswarupa Pashadya, Krodhakaram Kushojvala. Right? Majad Brahmanda Mandala, Sogandikala Satkacha, Kanatkoti Ramandita, Dalikastala Shovita, Vraganabi Visheshaka, Shiman Nagaranayika. All the Shabdas you can see, all Srilinga Shabda, among them Akaranta I have given here. Mooladharika Nilaya, Samaya Charatatpara, Durgama, Durlava, Durga, all those Shabdas, right? All are Akaranta, Srilinga Shabda. Buddhida. Buddhida is a nice word. The one who gives Buddhi. Buddhida, Buddhide, Buddhidaha. Shri Vidya. Vidya, Vidya, Vidyaha. Right? Okay, I think we'll stop here. Then Ikaranta, we will do it in the next class. Subhashitam alone we will do. We don't have time now. Gita, we are not able to do chanting. Anyway, how many things we'll do in the class? Subhashitam alone we will do. And then we will stop. Yesham na vidya na tapo na danam. Please chant.
न विद्या न तपो न दानं
Jnanam na shilam na guno na dharmaha.
ज्ञानं न शीलं न गुणो न धर्मः
Te martyaloke bhuvibhara bhutaha.
ते मर्त्यलोके भुवि भारभूताः
भारभूताः
Manushyarupena mrighaschranti.
मनुष्यरूपेण
मनुष्यरूपेण
मृगाश्चरन्ति
See, here
मृगाश्चरन्ति
mrighaschranti. And we can extend when we sing. It's not a dosha. It is E only. Okay. In singing we can do. It's not a dosha. In Gita, we do it like that. See, the first line you take. You remember I told yet tad. Yesham, you have to connect like that. Yesham, then te. Yesham, what vibhakti? Yet shabda. Shashti,
Esha
Bahuvachanam. Ke is
Bahuvachanam.
Sahat Taute. Yesham, what is the meaning of Yesham? For Yesham, what for those? For those, Vidya, na Vidya. Na Vidya means Vidya not there. Na Tapaha, no tapas. Na Danam, no Dana, no charity. No Jnanam, Jnanam na. Sheelam, character also is not there. Gunaha is also not there. Any values. Dharma also is not there. Those people are Bhuvi Bhara Bhutaha. They are the burden to the earth. Martya Loke, in the Bhuloke, Loke, what vibhakti? Saptami. Rame, Martya Loke, they are burden to the earth. And they are Manishya Rupena, in the form of human beings, they are Mrigaha eva. Mrigaha means
Animals.
animals. Manishya Rupena, Mrigaha Charanti. They walk, they move around in the world, the form of human beings, right? And there are more people in Tamil Nadu now. Okay. Every day we hear some very, very, very tragic news. Okay. Anyway, we'll stop here. Please memorize. This is a good shloka from.
Difference between Sheelam and Guna.
This is a good shloka from Niti Shatakam, Bhartrharis. Sheelam character.
Guna,
Guna is you can take the values.
virtues. Okay.
Virtues. Gunaha. Okay. Of course, we have some. We can. It's synonymous also. We can distinguish also. Sheelam. Sheelam
Dharma
is
is
that
also-
person because of following.
Dharma is not virtue.
Dharma is you. Dharma is that action. In terms of action, you follow the values, right? Gunaha, the level of mind. Dharmaha, the level of action. We can take like that. We can distinguish like that. Dharmaha, right? Dharma is dharma. We don't have to translate dharmaha.
Character.
Then Sheelam.
Sheelam is character.
Character.
Yes. Okay, we'll stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. Dhanyawad.
What is the homework today?
Very good. See your WhatsApp.
Okay.
WhatsApp, what is given? I've given Savarna Dirgha Sandhi examples that you need to split up. Varna Vicheda. You need to scratch your head. Please do it. Find out what the word is. If everything is easy, then why homework? They give everything. In my file, everything is all highlighted. It's easy to identify. But here it is not. That's why I didn't share the file. I'm not going to lose anything by sharing the file. I will do it anyway. But now you do it. Try. Scratch your head. Then we will discuss in next class. Okay. Dhanyawadaha. Sorry, extend the class a little more. Dhanyawadaha.
Dhanyavadas.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಸರ್.
Sharanji, I have a couple of questions if you have time.
Yeah. Please ask.
In initial classes, when we discussed Savarna, like how A and A is Savarna, the Hrasva and Dirgha A, we actually call them Savarna with respect to a few things. Is it Antara Prayatna is the same, but what is that? Bhayantara Prayatna is different?
No. Andhra Prayatana itself is different. Really different.
Oh.
But for Sandhi purposes, we consider them to be same.
So, initial analysis that we did, where we understood the nasalization of akara, that nasikrita bhedaha, kalakrita bhedaha, sthanakrita bhedaha, savarnaha, we did those three, like 18 forms and all of that, but we called them savarna there. Is that for the understanding?
It's for the sake of Sandhi. Sandhi purpose, we
Okay.
we bring. Otherwise, for Mageshwar Sutra, Akara, how can you bring Akara? It has to be A is Savarna that we bring in, right?
Okay. So this entire understanding, initially what we did is for the sake of Sandhi only.
For the sake of grammatical operations, not only Sandhi. There are other operations are there.
Okay. Because
Sandhi is one operation. In other places also it's there.
Okay. And in the PPT of Sutra, if you could open that. I had a
Sutra? What Sutra?
Definition of Sutra.
Okay.
Alpaksharam asangdigdham saravat vishvato mukham.
Yes.
Sobham anavadyancha. Dyam here, should it be Anuswara or Makara, Sharanji?
Yeah, we can. If you do Sandhi, it will be Anuswara.
Oh.
It will be do Sandhi, it will be Anuswara. But I have not done Sandhi. I have given individual padam.
Okay.
Sandhi between the padam is my choice, speaker's wish.
But in that
Sa
case,
vivaksham apekshate, we chant. It is depends on the speaker's wish. Between the two individual padam. Within a padam is a must.
oh,
These are two individual words, padam, fully formed, inflected words, we say.
okay.
So cha is aviyam, anavadyam is another word. Between the two, sandhi is choice. If you do sandhi, then it becomes anuswara. If you don't, it doesn't stop even with anuswara. Even the further sandhi you can do. We have not learned.
Ah, okay. Because here we see Asandigdham and then Saravat, there it is Anuswara because it's
Yeah.
followed by a Vyanjana. Here it is not. So,
There
is
I
it-
wanted, here I didn't want. Okay. Anyway, that's not that's a
okay.
saying.
No, Sharanji, my question is this. Are you doing this for our ease of understanding or
Yes,
is this
yes.
how the sutra
Yes.
written?
Yeah,
Okay.
for our reading, I'm doing. In fact, Asandigdham, if I put Makara, it would be proper. But anyway, this is just a copy pasted.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Because
Asandigdham,
last
Makara.
time in one of the classes you explained, we end with a makara when it is followed by a swarakshara so that there can be melanam. And you said when anuswara is followed by a vyanjana, for the ease of sandhi formation, we keep it as anuswara. So I had that question, that's why I wanted to check
No,
with
no.
you.
Makara is when followed by a vowel, it remain as it is. Makara, when followed by a consonant, it will become Anuswara. That is Sandhi. Okay, that is Sandhi. So it means when Anuswara is there, we need to understand Sandhi has happened. But Makara at the end of the Padam has become Anuswara. So therefore, Asandigdham, where we can understand, I have done Sandhi. And Anavadyamcha, there I have not done Sandhi.
Okay.
And Sutram, there also I have done Sandhi.
Hmm. Hmm.
So like that.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's the
So,
question I had, Sharanji.
yes.
Thank you.
ధన్యవాదాలు సార్.
Dhanyawada. Sorry, you're in the office, I think. Extended time.
Yes, sir. I'm in office.